Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hi to everyone. My name is Muhammad RASHDAN bin Muhammad Rashdi from DDT 3S3, and my metric number is 13 DDT 20F1117. Okay, today I want to teach you about how to create a Facebook account and Facebook page step by step. How to create a Facebook page. For the first step, you go to menu and find the page, and then click the create button in the left side and click the get start if you agree to the Facebook page term. After that, choose your category for your Facebook page and then enter the name you want to choose for your Facebook page. For the next step, enter your website if you have your own website, and if you don't have any website, you just click the left button. After that, you just upload your profile picture and your cover photo for your Facebook page, and after you're done, you just click the done button. Okay, finally, the Facebook page will appear. From here, you can customize your page, invite people to like the page, create a post, and more.
Now, SYAMIMI AQILAH binti LAZIM. My metric number is 13 DDT 20F1056. Professional account business. Step 1. Select settings at the bottom of the Manage Page menu on the left. Step 2. Select account. And step 3. You can choose to select switch to professional account or add new professional account at the button. Step 4. Select continue to get a professional account. Step 5. Choose the categories that you want. And step 6. When given the option between creator and business, select the business. Step 7. Enter your email and phone number. And step 8. Select next if you want to connect your Instagram business account with your Facebook. Step 9. Select complete your profile. And step 10. Enter name, username, pronouns, website, and bio. And then click done. And the last step is you are finished your professional account business. You can promote your product and upload your video or photo.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad RASHDAN bin SALAM. I am from DD3S3. My matrix number is 13 DDT 20F1127. Okay, now how to create a Telegram business account. Step 1. Open Instagram and click the logo on the right of the screen. Step 2. Create a new channel. Create a business channel. Step 3. Click the button to create channel. For step 4, enter your business name and description that you want people to know about your product, and then click next. For step 5, choose the channel link between public and private, and then put your business name in the link section and then click next. For step 6, choose contact that you want to add in the channel. For step 7, edit or change the description to fit your business preference, and then you are done. Okay, next I'm going to show you how to create a business online presence using WhatsApp business account. Step 1. Go to Apple App Store or Google Play Store and search WhatsApp Business. Step 2. Press to get download application. Step 3. Open the app and press agree and continue. Step 4. Enter your business name and business category. Step 5. Choose the category that suits your business. Next, step 6, press explore. And then step 7, press catalog to show product and service. And step 8, press add new item. For step 9, Press Add Image to insert product name and enter item name, price and description. Okay, for the final step, which is step 10, enter address and email address, website and catalog, and you are done. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to create a Shopy account. For the first step, open your Shopy app and click Start Selling. Okay, on the second one, enter your company name and SSM registration number and click Next. After that, fill in the set shop information, which is your pickup address, email, and phone number, and then click Submit. Step 4, click My Shop to set up the product. Step 5, click Add New Product. Step 6, enter your detailed product and then photo, product name, and product description. For step 7, you have to fill in the blanks, the information that is required. Step 8, you have to set up variation, price, stock, and shipping fee. For step 9, you need to set up variation for your product. Step 10, enter the price for each your item, price according to your variation. Step 11, insert your shipping information.